set of products. One is a set of products which teach a child physics in a very graded manner. What is taught in schools? There are easy to make kits which the child can kind of do experiments with. This is one part of it. The other part of it is a range of robotic kits which a child right from the age of 4, means a kid who cannot even read and write, can use to learn coding, logical thinking, to kits which can be used by senior kids of the age of, let's say, 14, 16, or even engineering graduates for making their projects. And most of these are, you cannot put there's no full stop. Like, it's up to the imagination of the child as to to what extent he can grow with these toys. So this is what we've got here.
That is really inspiring. Gone are the days. When we studied, we never thought of actually. We never, in fact, were in that position to be able to understand these kind of things, and now it is going beyond innovation. So, thank you so much, sir, for that. So, if I have to ask you a little bit more, being a layman, like, if I have to understand that, if I want to be able to understand practically how to use it. So, being a parent or an educationist or being a teacher or being a kid, so how do I go about it?
Let me start with the physics ones first.
Sure.
Okay. Now, essentially, these start with small kits, which they're basically physics, with a limited number of experiments, 15 experiments, which teach how does a light work, how does a resistor work, how does a transistor work, and it goes on to a 1,000 experiment kit, which is a slightly bigger one. It also gets into this one here is beyond the final one, which is an Arduino kit. It's got an Arduino board, programmable, as always. The only thing is that the ease with which this can be assembled and played with in the learning process is designed in a way that it makes it very easy. Without a messy, connection or soldering or anything like that. So right from a 15 experiment to a 1,000 experiment and beyond into this Arduino. This is part one, like I was saying. The other is this is the one which is used for teaching coding to a kid who cannot read and write. From that stage, we've got this. Then we've got this is a computer on a chip. Like it's got a couple of sensors. It's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth enabled, programmable, and it is totally up to your imagination. Using sensors and other peripheral stuff, you can program it, upload the program into this, and make it like it is up to the child's imagination. But let's say a simple thing, you want to make a timer. I can do it. I want to see how many steps I have walked in a day, which normally is done using smartphones. So all these kind of things are programmable using this. I can even make it wearable. So this is one thing. Then again, the number of devices which can be added to this is almost unlimited. There are many things which can be added. That is, and then we call this Kodi Roki. Again, a very rich enabled gadget which has got a couple of sensors inbuilt. In addition to that, you can also add a number of additional sensors to improve the functionality of this. This is what is called as an M-bot. This is a basic robo, programmable, and it can grow. Like, this is a family of robos which can. This is the lowest end of the spectrum. we can go for more powerful boards, more enhancements, both mechanically, electrically, electronically, additional sensors. So the growth and what this is capable of doing is limited only by imagination of a person who handles this particular thing.
So I just instantaneously I get a doubt. Say being a layman, if I have to be able to use it, I mean practically use it. Like I don't know how to use it. So like this is the manual you use, right?
This is not the manual for this,
Okay.
but this basically these are the experiments like I was telling you. Those are simple things. But let's say this is not something which would come to a child intuitively. It is not. It has to be learned.
It has to.
Okay. So what goes with this is a little bit of training. The basics, of how to connect this to a computer or a smartphone, program it to do few things is what we would teach to a person who buys this stuff. But what we teach would be limited to how to start using it. Thereafter, I think a child would do 10 times more than what any of us can even imagine. Because he knows how to then start using this and program it and add things to it. So that's how it works. This is not intuitive. Like just if I give this to a child wouldn't know how to do it. Oh yeah, some basic training is required. Yeah.
So I was absolutely right. This is not just innovation. This is beyond innovation because this is something like wow. That's the word I get. Within quotes. So it was really amazing, sir, to get such wonderful insights. And it is like I'm just getting goosebumps. It is so nice. It's so something so innovative.
I also believe that this is a must-have. They're not very expensive, and it's much better than
yes.
I mean, it helps a child grow, think, and make him into an innovator. Like a child imagines, that I want a home where I enter, this should happen, that should happen, my car should be automated. This gives him the steps, and to make him realize that it is possible for him to innovate and make a gadget. It is then just filing off the rough edges of these, which make actual real gadgets in the real world.
Wonderful.
That's how it works.
Wonderful. So, sir, finally, if suppose someone being an educationist or a teacher or a trainer or even a parent who would like to approach you to be able to understand this and actually go about it, and tech savvy people also like who would love to get an understanding of this. So, how do they contact you? Where do they approach you?
I mean, we are available on the website bdseducation.in. For institutions, we are more than willing to come to their premises.
So, is it in Hyderabad?
We are not based in Hyderabad. We are based in Delhi and Bangalore. But if a particular institution which wants its kids to get into this set of products for their learning purpose, they just got to give us a buzz and we will come with all these products to their premises, show them, train them, teach them with our teachers, enable their teachers to learn it, who in turn will pass it to their students. That's our approach. We will come wherever you want us to.
That's fascinating. No, that's really nice. And once again, we would like to thank sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time.